Hello student, today we will learn science standard 6. Take out your science textbook. Now today we will learn chapter number 10, motion and measurement of distance. In the last video we had completed this chapter. Now today we will learn a textbook exercise. Get started. So question number 1, give two example each of mode. Give two example each of modes of transport used on land, water and air. Answer: on land, car, train; in water, boat, ship; in air, aeroplane, helicopter. Question number 2, filling the blanks. Number 1, 1 meter is dash centimeter. Answer: 1 meter is 100 centimeter. Number 2, 5 kilometer is dash meter. 5 kilometer is 500 meter, 5000 meter, 5 kilometer is 5000 meter. Motion of a child on an swing is dash. Answer: motion of a child on swing is circular motion. Number 4, motion of the needle of a sewing machine is dash. Motion of the needle of a sewing machine is periodic motion. Question number 5. Motion of wheel of a bicycle is dash. Motion of a wheel of a bicycle is circular motion. Question number 3. Why can a place or a footstep not be used as a standard unit of length? Why can a pace of a footstep not be used as a standard unit of length? Answer: we cannot use pace or a footstep as a standard unit of length, as the size of foot and the footstep will not be the same for every individual. Thus, the measurement will not be same for different people. Okay. Now question number 4. Arrange the following length in near increasing magnitude. 1 meter is equal to, answer, 1 millimeters. 1 meter, 1 centimeter, 1 kilometer and 1 millimeter. So answer, rearrange: 1 millimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 meter and 1 kilometer. Okay. Now question number 5. The height of a person is 1.65 meters. Express it into centimeter and millimeter. Okay. So height. So 1.65 meter is equal to 165 centimeter. Okay. And millimeter is equal to 1650 millimeter. Okay. Understood? Again, the height of a person is 1.65 meter. Express it into centimeter and millimeter. Okay. So 1.65 meters is equal to centimeter. 1.65 into 100 to 165 centimeter. Okay. And 165 centimeter and 1650 millimeter. Okay. Now question number 6. The distance between Radha home and her school is 3250 meter. Express this distance into kilometer. Answer: 3250 meters is equal to kilometers. Through 3250 into 1 kilometer is equal to 1 meter is equal to how many kilometers? 1000 kilometers. So dear student, (3250) into 1000 kilometers is equal to 3.25 किलोमीटर। आपको डायरेक्टली आंसर ही लिखना है बिकॉज इट इज़ अ साइंस। ओके, सो उसको डायरेक्टली आंसर लिखना है आपको। द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन राधाज होम एंड हर स्कूल इज 3250 meters. Express this distance into kilometers. So kilometers answer 3.25 kilometers. Okay. Now question number 7. While measuring the length of a knitting needles, the reading of the scale at one end is 3.0 centimeters and at the other end is 33.1 centimeter. What is the length of the needle? Okay, answer. Length of needles is equal to 33.1 centimeter minus 3.0 centimeter, so is equal to 30.1 centimeter. Now question number 8. Write the similarities and difference between the motion of a bicycle and a ceiling fan that has been switched on. Similarities: wheel of a bicycle and ceiling fan both swing circular motion. Difference: cycle move is rectilinear motion but ceiling fan does not move in rectilinear motion. Question number 9. Why would you not like to use a measuring tape made of an elastic material like rubber to measure distance? What would be some of the problems you would meet it telling someone about the distance you measured with shape a tape? Answer: elastic tape will not give accurate measurement because it stretch in length and reduce in size when not stretched, while telling the measurement taken with an elastic tape. We have to tell whether the tape was stretched and by how much. This is very difficult. Question number 10. Give two example of periodic motion. Answer: example of periodic motion: one pendulum and second child on the swing. Okay, done. Now dear student, today we will learn chapter number 10, motion and measurement of distance. So dear student, today complete this chapter. So today's homework, this textbook exercise, write down in your notebook. It is your homework. Okay student, understood? Thank you.